Hey friends, if you feel that you're stiffening up in your hip, pelvic and lower back area due to prolonged sitting from your work or studies, then I'm going to teach you another way in which to improve the mobility in those areas. And you know what? It doesn't require more stretching, it actually requires more sitting. If that's piqued your interest, you need to watch this video. Hey friends, AviPhysio here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all easy seated positions that you could incorporate into your daily routine that's going to help you improve your lower back, pelvic, and even ankle mobility. You see friends, our bodies tend to adapt according to the stimulus or the load we place upon it. Take for example, professional athletes like swimmers or gymnasts. Do you notice that they all tend to have the same body shape or body type? That's because their sport places a load on them on a regular basis that gets the body looking that way. Now think of you at home or at work, you sitting every single day. Your body tends to adapt to the shape of the chair, from your hips to your back to your knees to your ankles. So if you don't push the mobility of your hips and knees and ankles beyond the range of that the chair places upon it, say that 5 times fast, then you're going to stiffen up in those areas. And in body terms, if you don't use it, you lose it. Alright, enough talking, let's get to these seated positions. If some of these sitting postures create a great deal of discomfort to your ankles or knees, simply add a rolled up towel or pillow under the ankles or knees and this will take a load off. Okay, let's get to these sitting postures. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for all the support and love you've sent my way thus far. If you have any ideas or any suggestions on videos that you'd like me to put out so you can be the best physical version of you, please leave a comment in the comment section below or message me privately because I'd love to read them. In the meantime, stay safe and stay strong.